An area mother speaking out for her family after a court ruled her child will be required to visit his father in prison. That mother says it's not going to happen. Tori Welsh joins us now with more on the story. Tori?
Well, Greg, an appeals court says the boy should undergo counseling, then slowly be introduced to his father. But this Queensbury mother says her son is just too young to understand and deal with these kinds of emotions. She has appealed the decision once and is in the process of appealing it again.
They are looking at what's best for this prisoner who has nothing to offer this little boy, and instead of looking at what is in the best interest of this child.
Vanessa Simons is upset after a state appellate court ruled she has to bring her 5-year-old son to visit his father in prison. David Kadio is in Clinton Correctional Facility for burglary. Simons says she briefly dated Kadio, became pregnant, and gave birth to their son in 2009. She says his involvement when he was out of prison was limited and that her son doesn't know Kadio is his father.
It is not appropriate for the courts to force a child to be told something and force a child to go somewhere when clearly he is not developmentally ready at all.
But a Warren County Family Court judge ruled last year the boy should know who his father is and that Simons bring him to see his father once a month. A state appellate court just last week scaled the visits back to 4 a year, but it supported the family court's decision, saying the father provided testimony that he wants to and has tried to be part of the child's life.
He chose to burglarize. That is what made him lose his visits.
An attorney from Tully Rinke told me rulings like this are not unusual. In fact, case law in the state supports it. A parent's rights aren't lost just because they're in prison. Simons told me she is not done fighting. She's appealing this decision again.
I am not going to stand there and let his life be ruined.
And just about 30 minutes ago, I spoke with Kadio's attorney for the appeal case over the phone. She told me that she felt the original family court judge made a well thought out decision and that she has not spoken with her client yet, but says he may want to appeal and actually ask for more visits here. Greg?